Okay, Rob. After several hours of troubleshooting, I finally found the culprit. This guy right here. Coil or something was broken inside, so it wasn't letting the signal through. But I've replaced him with another one. Came out of a parts board that I have. Took it out of this one. So that was the culprit. As you can see, I'm on channel 20. Set at 100 microvolts, 30% modulation. We got just a touch over S9. Okay, and I push on the board. Doesn't go away. So he was definitely the problem. I noticed that I'd get a little tickle of signal when I tried to adjust this guy, and as I moved it back and forth, I could see the signal trying to come through the transformer. So whatever it is inside is either shorted or broken, and the wires inside there are tiny. They're smaller than a human hair. So fortunately I had a parts board here that had one in it, so we ain't got to wait on a part. It's up and running perfectly. That's AM. That's sideband. Okay. And working great. All right. Oh, let me turn off the signal generator so you can just hear just the background noise. I think you can hear that. Those LED lights I have above my bench here, right there, those suckers generate some noise, and so when I touch the chassis of the radio, it goes into the radio. But anyway, it allows you to hear the background noise. That's what we wanted. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get it boxed up, shipped out to you. Sorry about the problem. 7-3.